Hello, Nayan.
Hi Mukund, good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening, Nayan. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Has joined.
Yeah, I think Skanda has joined.
Hello, Skanda.
Hi, Ankil. Hi, sir.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
Man, you're early today, Skanda.
Sorry, Uncle.
You're early to the class.
I didn't know, Uncle. I just pressed the join button and it was
Ah,
just holding on like that only.
okay, good. You're doing it on your iPad,
No, the MacBook.
MacBook. Okay, all right. We'll wait for others to join. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So Nayan, I'll be on mute,
Yeah, fine. Cool.
right?
Yeah.
So probably can take a roll count, Nayan,
Yeah.
before the names of
Yeah.
the uh, children,
Okay.
and we'll go from there.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot. Okay. So what I want, I'll just call out the name, and you can probably introduce yourself, maybe. So let me see who we have. Okay. So Ryan, would you like to just give you introduction? Your name, which grade you are in?
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
My name
Unmute
is
it.
Ryan. I'm in third grade.
Okay, good.
Uh,
So, do you like mathematics?
yeah, I love mathematics.
Nice. Next, we have Skanda.
Good evening, sir. My
Good
name is
evening.
Skanda and I'm in grade 5.
Okay, nice. So, what about you? You also like mathematics?
I love maths.
Good. So, what topic you love in mathematics, especially?
Anything. I love anything.
You love anything? Okay, nice. So, next we have a Pratik. Pratik.
Yes, sir.
So,
My name is Pratik. I am from class 3.
nice, nice, Pratik. Thanks a lot. Then we have a who else is pending? Give me a second. Smritha.
It's in my name, it's not in your name. I don't know.
Good
Yeah.
evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
My name is Simrita and I'm in 5th grade.
Okay, good. So, how is your school going? Started,
Great.
right? Great.
Only
Okay, so
online session.
only online. Nice. It's good, right? You don't have to travel much.
Yes.
Okay, so let me share the screen now. And we'll start with the same introduction what we have done, but after a couple of slides we will come to the hands-on. So our most of the classes are hands-on, means I will ask you to do a couple of things on your computer using a scratch. You will write some program, I will write some program, and that's where we all learn. Okay, so again, let's get started. How many of you do the exercise? Yes, no?
Me.
Me.
Okay, what exercise?
Jumping, skipping.
Running.
Running. So how long you run? How many kilometers?
I just run around my apartment.
Okay, good. So how many rounds you do generally? Two. Nice. Any other exercise? Anyone plays some game?
I usually play football.
I play
Usually
hockey.
hockey. Oh, but nowadays it's difficult, right? So still, I mean, that hockey and football is going on, or it stopped because of this situation, COVID?
Stopped.
Stopped.
Sometime
Okay.
play.
Sometime play. Okay, nice. So same way what I'm trying to say, we need our exercise. Why? Because we want to be a fit, and also we want to have some kind of activity so that we are healthy. Same way our brain also needs an exercise. Okay, and there are many ways to do the exercise. Some people do the very light exercise, some do the very intensive exercise, but at least it's good that you do some exercise. So please keep up your exercise, whatever you're doing. It may be running around, or at least just taking a stairs once in a while. Okay, so what I was trying to say that same way our brain also needs an exercise. And how do we give a exercise to our brain? By solving a different problems. So maybe in our maths class, or maybe in our any other class, we solve many problems. Okay, so now I want to give you a small exercise before we get into this. Do you have a pen and paper with you? Everyone?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes.
please. So now let's draw a triangle. So on a screen, I have mentioned the rectangle, but I want everyone to draw a triangle. Let me know once you are done.
Done.
Done. Good. Anyone else?
Done.
Sir,
Good.
done.
Okay, so how many sides are there in a triangle?
3.
3.
And how many angles are there?
3.
Okay, good. Now I want everyone to write a steps what you followed to draw a triangle. So if you see on a screen, I have drawn a rectangle and I have mentioned the steps here. Like take a pen, take a paper, draw horizontal line, turn 90-degree, draw vertical line, turn 90-degree, and so on. Same way, I want all of you to write a steps which you followed to draw a triangle. Hope everyone is clear on the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, feel free to ask,
Yeah.
if you have any doubt. Let me know once you are done. Anyone done?
Done.
Okay, good. Would you like to share what you have written? Just go
Yeah.
over the notes, please.
Yeah. Draw 2 diagonal lines and a vertical line below.
Do 2 diagonal line and vertical line below. Okay, good. Then should we join all this line, or we should not join all this line?
You have to join all of them together.
You have to, yes, we have to join. So what will be the angle? What angle we are making there?
Triangle.
Triangle we are making, but do you know what is the size of the angle? Any idea? how to get it?
No.
No, that's fine. Perfectly fine. So if you see, right, all the steps what you have written, I will call those steps as an algorithm to draw a triangle. Same way on a screen, I am sharing the steps to draw a rectangle. Okay. So this is nothing but, you can also call it as a recipe to draw a triangle, or you can call a recipe to draw a rectangle. Okay, so now in this Scratch programming, what we are going to do is we are going to use a Scratch editor. How many of you have the editor installed in your computer?
Me, sir.
Okay, so if not, I want everyone to install it quickly. Just follow the steps what I'm doing. You can go to the website called scratch.mit.edu. I'm putting the same link in a chat window.
Sir, I downloaded it on App Store.
Okay, if you have done it on App Store, that's fine. But idea here is that this is going to be a hands-on class, means I will do some exercise, I will do some program here. Same thing, you will be also spending some time on it. Okay.
So should we press the link?
Yeah, please place the link. It will open in a browser.
Okay.
Once
Sir,
it
I have
opens,
already opened the link, sir.
Yeah,
okay,
even I've
fine.
opened it.
Good. Once you
Yes,
open
sir.
it, you need to go down. There is a button called download. Are you able to see this? You can see my screen. I'm sharing it. If anyone is facing an issue, please let me know. You need to scroll down on this website. Once
Which
website
button?
opens, download. Just see on a screen. Are you getting a download button?
Sir, I've downloaded through App Store only.
I'm not getting the button download.
Okay, wait a second. Everyone else?
Sir, I got it, but when I click macOS, it isn't downloading.
Wait a second. So let's do step by step. Okay. So first, who wants to share their screen? I will, we'll share their screen one by one. Then, I will help you, all of you from here, one by one. So who is not able to download it?
Me.
Yeah, please.
Natasha.
Natasha, please share
Right.
your screen. You know how to share a screen?
Yeah.
Please do it so that I can see.
I'm
it
not
and
able to share.
you're not able to share. What message you are getting?
Participant share.
Sir, can I
Yeah.
share? Sir, can I share?
Wait a second. We'll go step by step, one person at a time.
Sir, it says that you need to stop sharing.
Now try.
It's not happening.
It will work. Now try.
No.
It should work.
I think Nayan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Now just scroll down. Okay. You're on a Mac. Okay. Scroll down. So you're on a MacBook, correct?
Yes.
Already installed or you have not installed?
No.
Okay. Scroll down. You can do scroll down.
Yeah.
No.
Not able to follow?
No.
You need to use your trackpad or a mouse and just scroll.
Presentation stopped.
I think Roshni is sharing a screen.
Roshni, you need to share the entire screen. What I can see is only that security license thing. If you share entire screen, I'll be able to help you on the installation side.
1 second.
Can you see the screen?
We can see, but we can see that license dialog box. I request you to share entire screen, full screen, so that can help you with the installation.
Okay. Now?
Not yet. You need to stop and share again.
Okay.
And when you click, you share the entire desktop.
Not yet?
Yeah, now we can see, just scroll down, go till bottom, and there will be option called download. Just scroll down. Yes, go down, 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 down. Please, everyone else also see. Yeah, click on the download. Below that support column is there, download is there. Click on that. Good. Yeah, please. Now, this should automatically detect what operating system you are in. So it says Windows. Now scroll down. Good. Now click on the direct download. Click on the direct download. Yes. Once you click it, yeah, you can say save or a run. Anything is okay. Bottom, you need to say save or a run. Good. It will take, I think, some time. Good. So once it is downloaded, let me know. Okay. Then you need to just click. It will get installed.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can stop sharing. Let someone else share the screen so that, I can help them also.
Sir, can I share, sir?
Yeah, please.
I think Pratik, I think it's not required for you. We already have it. Okay, Pratik?
Yeah, Papa.
Sir, can I share?
Yeah, please share.
This one. One second, sir.
Once you click on a share screen, the dialog comes where there will be so many tile. Okay, so you need to choose your desktop, the first one. With that, you'll be able to share the screen.
I think it shared earlier, right, Ryan? Yes.
Okay,
Correct.
now scroll down.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, click on a download. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, scroll down. Good. Click on, wait. Go up. Wait. Yeah, click on a direct download
Yeah.
or App Store. So you don't have installed it, right? As of now?
No.
Okay,
Ryan, do you have it? Do you have it on a system right now? Scratch?
Desktop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have it?
Yes.
Can you can you search your Finder? You know how to search the application?
Right? Is there someone next to you?
Okay, Ryan, just click on a
Scratch desktop.
sorry, Ryan, please click on a download on the App Store.
I think I already have the scratch desktop.
That's fine. You click on the download on the App Store. It will automatically open if it is installed. Yeah. Wait. Scroll up.
Yeah.
Scroll up.
It's not letting me.
No, go up.
You need to drag 2 fingers up, downwards, then it will go up.
That's what I'm doing.
Then just choose the arrow keys.
It's not good.
Use up arrow key or down arrow key.
Still not working.
Okay, anyone, click, just say there is a Finder. You know what is a Finder? Okay, can you give me a control? I am asking you for, the control of your system. Just say yes.
He's speaking. Okay.
Just allow. I will be able to control it.
Okay. Yeah, I pressed.
I don't think he will know that.
I think he has not shared the full screen.
So on the bottom it's saying a scratch desktop DMG can't be downloaded securely.
That is fine. Don't worry about it. So can you do one thing? Can you share again and share this time full computer? Okay. How do you share that? You need to, click on a desktop. When you click on a desktop, it will share entire thing. Currently, you are sharing only your Chrome.
Okay.
Please reshare. Okay, meanwhile, anyone else is facing the issue, we can quickly, yeah, Bindya has raised the hand. Bindya, please share the screen. Sorry, I don't have a name of a student.
1 second, I change my name later.
Yeah, fine. That's fine. No issues. Please, you can share the screen.
I'm not having any issues. I got it on Microsoft Store, but I have to sign in for that.
No, you can without Microsoft Store also you can download it. So please share the screen. I can quickly help you with that.
Okay.
Microsoft Store, it takes a lot of time and you need to, sign in. But without that, you can directly download. Okay, no, wait a second. No, let's not get into the Microsoft Store. Can you go to your previous tab? Yes. Okay, click on a direct download and say keep. Okay, this will be done quickly, won't take much time. Let's wait. Okay, keep sharing. I will finish this installation quickly so that other can also see.
I think it's going. I think she's raising her hand, and I am.
Yeah. Give me a second. Once this is done, yeah, you can share the screen.
Simrita, can you share your screen, please?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm Natasha. The Scratch desktop is not getting downloaded.
Itasha, can you share your screen, please?
It's gone.
Yes.
Just
But
raise.
this time share entire screen, okay, so that I'll be able to control from here.
Just a minute.
Yeah, fine, no issues. Don't worry, it will be there, during first class. All these glitches will be there. If we are not able to do it today, then what I will do, I will have a one-on-one call and then we will install it. Okay, good. Now open a Chrome, or I'll ask you to, give me a control. Please say yes. I will be able to. Please share again, Natasha.
Yes.
Okay.
Click that.
Okay, now I'm requesting for a remote control access. So please say yes when you get a dialog box. It will say, Nayan is requesting for a control. Yeah, good. Thanks a lot. And
Yeah, I think everybody else can also take a look at this as Nayan sir is showing you how to do it.
You can see my computer.
You go to Google Chrome.
This is our computer. Mommy, take fan. Take fan. Mommy, take fan. Mommy. Yeah, take fan. I'm giving you fan. I'm giving you fan.
please, I'm controlling it. Okay, wait a second. I think you need to connect the charger. I think battery is very low, 22% only. Yeah.
Connect my charger.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I think it will get download quickly. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So please everyone see what you need to do. First, you need to go to the scratch.mit.edu. After that, if you are on a Windows system, directly, go to the download and click on a direct download. Once you click on the direct download, it will download this executable file, scratch.exe. Using that, I will install the Scratch. Okay, and then I will show it to everyone how it looks once you do the installation. If you are not able to do it today, don't worry, that's fine. During this Saturday, Sunday, we can have one-on-one call, and then I can help you to install that. So this is already downloaded. I'm now opening it. Let's see quickly. It open. I will say only I'll install for all user.
What did he
Okay, we'll prompt for admin. Okay, leave it. So we'll do it only for this user.
Notes is ready, Mother. Somebody else.
I got it. Good. Thanks a lot.
come?
Wait. It will come. Wait. I'm controlling. Wait. Okay, so once you install, you will be able to see something like this. It is known as a Scratch editor. It just, once you open, it will look like this. Okay, now I will close it and I will again open it. I will close it and again open it so that everyone can see it. See, already the icon is there on a desktop. We just double click, it will open.
Then, sir, I have it.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Okay, now you can stop sharing. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Anyone else need help?
Sir, I have it.
You have it. Okay, good.
So
Anyone?
sharing is
Yeah, sir,
already
even I have it.
he had in control. No.
That's fine. Anyone who is
That's
not
why he
able
did.
to install or need some help, please let me know quickly.
Simrita Prajwal, do you have it?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Great. What about Vishesha? Vishesha is the name of the parent or the child?
Yes, sir, I have it.
You have it. So, Skanda, you have it as well?
Yeah, uncle.
Okay. And what about, okay. I think, what about Suhani Ganesh? Suhani Ganesh?
I got it.
Okay, and Tanish, Ryan?
Uncle, I have it.
Great. I think then we are good to go, Nayan.
Okay, good. Chalo. Thanks a lot, everyone. Now I will again share the screen and we'll spend some time on a Scratch editor just to understand what it is, how it looks. Okay. I'm just opening my Scratch editor. When you open, it takes some time, a bit of time, but once it is done, it is fast. So if you can see on a screen, let me go to the full screen. Okay, whatever you see on a screen, it is known as a Scratch editor. Okay. Now, if you see, it has, this file icon from where you can, load any new file. There is a option to save also, and there is a load, something new also. This again, I will explain when we do more programs. There is an option to, edit also. Let's not get into the edit as of now. It is something called a turbo mode. Then if you just want to explore more, there is something called tutorials. So once you go to the tutorials, you'll be able to see there are a lot of games which is already built in. Then if you see here, left hand side, there are different blocks. Each block has a different name and each block has a different color. So if you see, blue color is with the motion block, purple, it is about a look. Then you have something called sound. Then we have something called event. Then we have something called control. Then sensing is there, operator is there. All this is for the people who love mathematics. You see there are a lot of operator, plus, minus, division, greater than, equal to, everything. Then we have variables in my block, so that we will see once I'll teach all this thing to you. So as of now, just takeaway is understand how to navigate all this thing. Okay, then if you see again bottom, there is a plus icon. When I click here, I will be able to see more tools. So out of this, I like this music a lot, and then I like this pen a lot. So when I click on it, you can see pen and music are also added. So whenever you open a Scratch, sometime you need to add this pen and music again. So please do it whenever it is required. Okay, now coming to this side, let me do the full screen. So currently you see on a screen is a cat. Okay, so this is this is also logo of a Scratch, but it is a by default character which comes up. This is also known as a sprite. So if you see here, it is written as a sprite1. So there is an option to delete. If I want, I can delete. If I say delete, it will go. Let's say if I want to add it again, so there are two ways. I can say new, and I'll say okay. Once I say new, everything comes new, and I will get a sprite this again. If I want to add another sprite, I can click here. Then again you will see a whole bunch of sprite. If you are interested in animal, you click on animal, you will see all animals. If you want to just see the different people, different people who are playing games and stuff like that, you can see here. If you love dance, you can get all this character who are dancing. Music instrument, you can get those music instruments here. Sports, if you like playing cricket or any other game, football is also there. Basketball is also there. Then if you see foods, okay, there are many things. And if someone wants to write some names or anything, there are letters also. So all these things are considered as a sprite. So if I say what is a sprite, sprite is nothing but a character on a stage. So if you see, if you have seen some play, or if you see some movie or some kind of video, you see people performing, right? Same way in the Scratch, whoever is on the stage, they perform. Okay, but they just don't perform. We have to write something so that they will perform. And what is that something? That something is known as a script. Okay, so for example, now what I will do, I will drag this. This is how you can drag and put it here. Based on that, many things will change. And this, whatever we are dragging, is known as a block. So currently I have dragged the block 10 multiple times. You can see I have dragged it multiple times, and I have clubbed it together. You can use your mouse and you can make it drag, drop, club, all these things you can do. Let's say if you don't need anything, you can drag and put it back. You can drag and put it back. You can drag and put it back. But if you want it, you can again get it from here. Another option, you can do right click and you can say duplicate if you want to make a copy of it. Another option, if you want to delete it, you can right click and say delete. Okay, yeah, please. Any doubt? Okay, fine. So these are known as a block. So I have dragged the motion block. Same way I can drag the loop block. I can also drag the sound also. Okay, now whenever you click on this block, it will perform, means it will execute. It is something like, you have a recipe is written in the book. But if we want to make something, we need to execute that recipe, or we need to do the steps to perform. So for example, I want to make a Horlicks and I want to have the Horlicks. Let's say, steps are written in a book to prepare a Horlicks, or even on the Horlicks packet also, backside they write a steps. But unless and until we execute it or we do those steps, we will not get the Horlicks. Same way, once we write all these things, we need to execute these steps. So how do we execute? There are multiple ways to execute it. One step is, you just double click on this. When I double click, you see this block says play sound meow until done, means when I double click, it will play sound. Everyone is able to hear the sound?
No.
Okay, give me a second. I'll remove my mic and then you can hear. Are you able to hear now?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, sir.
Everyone, I want all of you to, just go to the sound tab, drag the, first one, play sound, and double click on it. Please do it, everyone. You will be able to hear the sound, at least if I'm not able to hear, but you will be able to hear the sound. You need to use a mouse or a trackpad, whatever is there on your laptop or a desktop. Just drag it, put it in a center. This center area is known as a script area.
It's not happening.
You're not able to hear the sound, or it is not playing the sound.
Like I'm not able to move the block.
Okay, please, can you share the screen?
Yes.
Please do it. Once you click on a share, desktop comes and then you need to correct. Good. Okay, so click. Yeah, okay, move first one. Yeah, click and drag. Put it. Yes, good, done. No, don't do anything. Okay, now double click on a play sound. Double click on this purple color block.
Purple color.
No, same what you have dragged. No, here only, center. Yeah, center, correct. Double click now. Are you able to hear anything?
Yes.
Okay, so you are able to hear a sound of meow, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now do one thing. On a right hand side corner, please everyone else also follow. On a right hand side corner.
There is a red color button like stop.
No, not now. We don't want to do that. We want to get another sprite, another animal, and we will hear another sound. So can you click on a bottom right corner? Not that one. Come left side. Yeah, that one. Please click there. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Go to the animals.
Yes.
No. Click on animal from the about tab. Yeah. So that you see all the animals. Now just pick your favorite animal, whatever you want to take.
Yes.
Okay, good. So
Yes,
now
sir.
we have a fish also. Now for fish, can you again please drag that play sound?
Yep.
Please drag it. Good. Now again double click. Are you able to?
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah, sir. I can hear the bark for a dog.
Awesome. Even I can hear. Who is that? Oh,
I
you
can
removed
hear
your mic.
Panda, sir.
Good.
I can hear drops of
Fish.
water.
No, correct.
Yeah.
Because you have chosen the fish. Good. Okay, now I want please stop sharing. Let me do another thing. Okay.
Yes.
Was everyone able to get that?
Yes.
Simrita, Vishesha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if
Yes,
you
sir.
see, let me, I will also take one more animal. Let's see what I can take. I will take, what? Let's take this one. Okay. So now if you see on a stage, I have a cat and this dinosaur. Okay. Now if you see for cat, I have already dropped this play sound. Same way, if I click on a dinosaur, it is not there. So I will do it for dinosaur also. So that means each and every sprite will have their own sound. Everyone is able to follow?
Yeah, sir.
For example, I am a different person, you are a different person. All of us have a different sound. Okay. All of us speak differently. all of us look differently. Okay, so same way here also, if you can see, there is a different sound for each and every sprite. Also, whatever we want to do, we need to write a different steps for each and every sprite.
So, sir, we need to make different blocks for a different sprite.
We need to drag and drop different blocks for a different sprite in
Yes.
a different area. Okay, so that's
Yeah.
how you can change it. By clicking on a sprite, you will be able to change it.
Yes.
Okay, so now what I will do, I will just close this and I will open the new one because I want to show you different thing now. Okay, let me open it. So now I'm taking a new one. Now what I want to do is, instead of all the time double clicking that, I want to do something like, you know, when I click on this green flag, something should happen. Okay, so what I will do, I will drag this from here, which is there in the event. If you see in the event, it is there. When click on a green flag, I will drop this from here, and then what I will do, I will again go to the sound and I will drop that play sound again and just club this with this block. So once you use your mouse and put it together, it will go and automatically joins. So this is how clubbed it. Now what I need to do, when I click on the green flag, it will say meow. I want all of you to try this. So what are we doing now? We have dropped the block from an event. Okay, block name is a when green flag is clicked. Then what I am doing, I am dropping the play sound again and combining it with attaching it with this when green flag click. And you need to make sure that you have only one block which says when green flag click. Okay, as of now, let's have only one block. And after that, when I click, you will be able to hear the sound. Now we need to write, all the steps in a sequence only to perform any activity. Everyone is able to follow till now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Now what I will do, I will go to the motion block and I will say, I will drop this and I will join this with my meow, play meow sound. Hope everyone is able to see. So first one is a when green flag is clicked, then play meow sound and then move 10 steps. Now let me again click on a green flag and see what happens. If you see, the sound happened and immediately after that my cat moved little bit. Instead of that, I will do move 100 steps. And let me click again on a green flag. You will see sound is playing and then cat is moving. If you see on this side, my cat moved. Earlier it was in a center, now it is moved. So I can again use mouse and get my cat back. Let me click on a green flag. After saying meow, it's again moved. Everyone is able to follow this?
Yeah, sir. Sir, I even added hello and hum to mine.
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yes, sir.
Now what I want to do next is after moving 100 step, I want my cat to turn. If I want my cat to turn, I can use this, there are two blocks. One is a turn clockwise and another is a turn anti-clockwise. Everyone understand, right? What is a clockwise and what is anti-clockwise?
Yeah, sir.
If anybody has any questions, please raise your hand.
Now, again, if you see what I will do, I will click on a green flag. When I click on a green flag, cat moved 100 steps and again it turned something, and that is basically 15 degree. Okay. Now, if you want your cat to come again in a correct position, what you need to do? You need to click on this block. If you click on a point in a direction 90, your cat will again come in a proper position. See, my cat moved little bit. I want my cat to again come in a proper position. So now with this, it becomes straight. So any block you want to execute, you can also double click here and it will do. So for example, I'm clicking on this move and my cat is moving. So I want everyone to just, spend some time like this, try different block. Okay, you just try a motion and a sound, this to be sufficient for time being. Okay, remaining we will go step by step. As today is the first class, we just get used to of all this thing. Anyone has any doubt till now? Any problem they are facing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I want answer from almost everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's say you want to save whatever you have done. Okay, so I have done this thing and I want to save this. What should I do? I should go to the file and then I should click on a save to computer. Once I click on it, some dialog box comes like this. That dialog box I need to write. I can say, let's say my first program. Okay, you can give any name, whatever you want to give. I'm giving first and I'm going to save this. If you want, you can also do it. This is just for trying. And then you can click on a save. This will basically save the program.
Okay.
And you can go and let's say close this. Let's say what I want to do, I want to close this and I'll say leave. I have closed this and now let's say I want to open that again what I have saved. Okay, so what I will do, I will again open a Scratch
Finder.
You can either use a finder or you open a Scratch again. Once it gets loaded, then you need to go to the files and you need to say load from a computer. Make sure that you're saving at one place only so that it becomes easy for you to load again. So what I'm doing, I'm saying load from a computer, and this is what I have saved first. Again I'm loading it, it came back. Everyone is able to follow how to save and how to load it back?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good, fine. So now we want to do something today, and that is related to the music. So let me open up again new sprite, new editor, and what I will do, I will go here and I will say take a music instrument. If you see, I have a music with me. If you want, you can also take the music. Again, what I will do, I will go to the event and I'll say drag this. Means when green flag is clicked, I want to do something. What I want to do, I want to play some music. Now for playing the music, I have different options. One is a play drum, then play some notes, play instrument and stuff like that. So as of now, what I will do, I will just drag this one and club with this. What it says play drum for 0.25 bit. I want to play drum multiple times, so I can drag maybe like 6 of like this, 4, 5 and 6, and I will join all of them together. Once I join, what I will do, I will click on a green flag and you will see that it will play drums 6 times. Okay, Now instead of drum, let's say if I want to take some instrument, I can click here and choose any other instrument. For example, I want to, let's say first time I want to play drum, second time I want to play, you know, some kind of hand clap, then I want to play, you know, some other, you know, thing, maybe anything you can choose, anything you can choose here. I'll say another bass drum. Then third time I would like to play something else. Fourth time I would like to play this one, and again drum at the last. So let me again play it and see. Able to hear? Now when you put like this multiple times, what I will do, I will just duplicate this and again, you know, club it here. Now you can see it has played a really nice music.
Yeah, sir.
I want all of you to try this. Please try this.
Yes, sir.
Wait a second, my sharing has stopped. I'll share again. Okay, who is sharing? Okay, please try. Please do a drag and drop, or you can open a new file, you know. Please open a new file, it will be good. Go to the file. No, not there. Go to the file on a top left corner. Okay, click on a new. Say okay. Good. Okay, now, okay, now go to the event. Drag
Event block on your
event.
left.
Left side there is a event. Left side there is an event block with orange color. Good. Click on a when green flag. Okay. Click. That is a drop. Please drag and drop it and put it in a center. Good. Nice. Now go to the music. Now from music, play drum. First one is there, right? Please drag it and just club it with a when green flag is clicked. And I want you to do this multiple times. Let's say maybe 4-5 times. You please drag it and club it together. Nice. Okay, now please click on a green flag. When you click on a green flag, it should play a drum 4 times. Can you click on a green flag? Where? Right hand side, yeah, top. There is a green flag above the cat. Are you able to follow?
Sir, I made one, sir.
No. Now I want you to, are you able to hear the sound? Can you click on a green flag?
Sir, can I share the screen, sir?
2 minutes, 2 minutes. Are you able to hear the sound? Okay, good. Yeah, please now you can share the screen. You can stop sharing Roshni. Yeah. Okay, good. So Pratik, I want you to first, yeah, please get the when green flag click block, drag it, good, and put it above this block. Nice. Okay, now click on a green flag. You should be able to hear a sound. I think accidentally you stopped sharing. That's fine. Are you able to hear a sound? If you click one time, as there are 2 blocks saying play drum, you will be able to see it twice.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, please. Pratik,
Can I?
can you stop sharing? Now let others share.
Sir, can I share Vishesha?
Wait. We'll go step by step. First, Pratik, please stop it. Then let others share. You're doing really good. When you click on you, it played the sound, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now who wants to share? Okay, please share this. Okay. Can you, yeah, click on, go to the maximize. Good. Now click on a green flag. Are you able to hear a sound? Are you able to hear a sound?
Vishesha, I can't hear.
That's fine. If Vishesha is able to hear, that is fine. Okay,
Sir,
good.
can I present now?
Yeah, please share. Vishesha, you can stop.
Sir, can you see my screen share?
No, not yet. Not yet. Please do it.
Just a second. Sir.
Once click on a share, you need to again choose a desktop. Once you choose a desktop, it will come properly.
Yes, sir. So now?
No, not yet. After you click on a share screen, the desktop
Yeah, sir, I
option
think
comes.
it came now.
Yeah, it's coming. Good. Oh. Okay,
Sir, I'm
let's click once. Yeah, we are here.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Nice. Okay, so thanks everyone. So anyone else is facing any issue or want to share a screen and show what they have done? If not, we can stop today and we can have a next class on a Monday. Okay. And as a homework, what you need to do is you need to just spend some time on a scratch, play with different, instrument,
Yes, sir.
and just try it. Okay. Anyway, I'll be sending same thing in an email.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I 1 second share and show?
Yes, please.
Sir,
Yeah, please go ahead.
how should we practice it?
You just try
My
different
CPU.
wait. Okay, so what we want to do, just as of now, focus only on the music. Okay, so bottom left corner, click on a bottom left corner, there is a plus. Bottom down
Funny, go down, go.
left side down. Left side, not there, left side, that is your right side. Yeah, this one, click. Good. Once you click, you will see music. Click on a music. Okay, good. Okay, now what you need to do, just wait a second. First, play sound and touching both the blocks, drop it back. We want to delete it from the script area. So what I want first, click on the play sound and just remove that. We don't want the play sound as of now. Not this one, play sound. Yeah, click on the, drag the play sound back to the, yeah, good. Same way, drag this one also, touching mouse pointer. We don't need that also as of now. Okay, good. Now I want you to drop play drum multiple times. Do it multiple times, maybe 4 or 5 times. Again, drag it
Bye,
from
sir.
the left side. Yeah, bye. Again, drop it from the left side.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Drop it from the left side. Multiple times you do it. One more, take it one more from your left side and put it and join it, below this. Good. Now click on a green flag. You should be able to hear a drum sound multiple times. And you can change the, instead of drum, you can change the different things also.
Mama, look, I made my sound.
Okay, are you able to hear that sound?
Look, I made my sound. Look, I made such a nice tune.
Okay, so just play with this. Okay, that's a
Made
home.
such a nice
Just
tune.
spend some time on this. Okay,
Pasha, mute.
that's fine. That's fine. Don't worry. Okay, so I think we can stop here. Mukund, should we stop here for today?
Yes, I think we stop here for today. I would request everyone to practice this little bit, and then we will meet up again Monday, 5 o'clock. All right?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
If you have
Okay,
any
thank you.
doubt,
Bye.
please, message us, WhatsApp us if you have any doubt or facing any issues. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Thanks a lot. See you on Monday. See you everyone on
Thanks,
Monday.
sir.
Bye.
Thank
Thanks.
you, sir.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.